Basic property of circles, part 2. Starting from this subchapter, we'll try to consider the angle, the relationship of the angle inside a circle. So the first properties is related to angle as circumference. First of all, in my first video, I have already introduced what is the meaning about angle as circumference. For example, this angle. Consider this circle, angle APB. I call this as the angle as circumference and subtended by the arc AB. So the corresponding angle as center is AOB because also subtended by the arc AB. I know x is equal to 2y. So the abbreviation is angle as center twice angle as circumference. This is circle and we add one dot here. Okay, this is the notation of circumference. Circle and circumference. Similarly, if we rotate and try to move this OA and OB and then to these positions, I know this angle is x and this angle is y. Same idea, because if I consider this angle as circumference, what is the corresponding angle as center? Because this angle is subtended by the major arc AB, then this is the angle as center subtended by arc AB. So we can also have this result. X is equal to 2y. In our lesson, I want to prove it with you, but you just need to remember it. Angle as center twice angle as circumference. Let's see the final example, the final cases related to angle as center twice angle as circumference. Now, if I move this OA nearby or across point P, you can find this shape. And then if this is angle y is angle as circumference APB and subtended by arc AB, this angle is the angle as center subtended by arc AB. We can also have this result 2a, 2y is equal to x. Angle as center twice angle as circumference. So you need to remember this three shape and then the relationship between the angle as center and angle as circumference. Let's see some questions. Task practice questions. So, part 1, question 1. I remember this shape because this is the angle as center and the corresponding angle as circumference is this one. I know angle as center twice angle as circumference. So I know x is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, similarly, this is 50 subtended by arc AB. So the corresponding angle as center is equal to x. So angle as center twice angle as circumference. So x is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, same idea. This is angle as center, angle as circumference subtended by the major arc AB. So this is the corresponding angle as circumference. So it's as center. So angle as center is twice angle as circumference. So x is equal to 240. So the last questions, x is the angle as circumference. Remember, it's subtended by the major arc AB. But this 140 is subtended by the minor arc AB. So you need to find this angle. This is equal to 360 minus 140, so 220. So angle as center is twice angle as circumference. So x is equal to 110. So we can make good use of these properties to find some angle inside a circle. And we will try to have more deeper discussions related to how to prove this statement and how to make good use of this statement on our lesson.